Inhale, exhale, palms together in front of your chest, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, stretch the hands up, push the hips forward, then arch your back, hands straight, knees straight. Exhale, extend forward and bend down, fix your hands next to your feet. Inhale, stretch your right leg back, knee down, toes back, and stretch your spine forward. Retain your breath, tuck the toes in, raise the knee, take your left leg back, body in one straight line. Exhale, drop the knees, chest in between the palms, chin or forehead on the mat. Inhale, slide your body forward, gently arch your back, feet together, elbows are bent, relax your shoulders, head up. Tuck your toes in first, press the palms, exhale, push your hips up and try to get your heels towards the floor, knees are straight. Inhale, right leg forward on same place where it was before, stretch your spine forward. Exhale, other leg forward, feet together, stretch your hands forward, inhale, up, hips forward, arch your back. Exhale, palms together. Left side, inhale. Exhale, palms together in front of your chest. Inhale, stretch the hands up, hips forward, arch back. Exhale, extend forward and down, hands next to the feet. Inhale, stretch the left leg back, knee down. Lengthen the spine again, tuck the toes in, raise the knee, right leg back, exhale, knees, chest, chin or forehead down, inhale, slide forward, arch your back, head up, hips remaining on the floor, tuck the toes in, exhale, push your hips up, get your heels down if possible, inhale, stretch your left leg forward, right knee down, exhale, right leg forward, stretch the hands forward all the way, inhale, hands up, hips forward, and then arch your back as much as you can go, exhale, palms together.